So you are looking to download the game Battlefield 2042 on your PC without overspending? Don't worry, I will show you how to legally download this game on official platforms without overspending. So what we need to do is open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to see more content like this. Now the next step will be crucial. We need to search up this game and locate it at Steam before we can continue to another website to download this game. Quickly go to the Steam website, don't waste too much time over there, search up the game Battlefield 2042, select the game, then scroll a little bit down, and as you can see the price on Steam is €59.99, quite expensive. But don't worry, we have a workaround to save yourself a lot of money while downloading games online. Now what you need to do is go to the video description, click on the link where it says find game here, then you will be redirected to this page. And here we are going to search for the same game, Battlefield 2042. Then select games on the left side and sort by price lowest first. Now once you have done that, you will find a PC version, which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it won't work for you. Then select the game and open the game page, and as you can see we can already download this game for just €3.47 compared to the Steam price of €59.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now once you have purchased this game, you will receive an email confirmation including a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!